Good morning, folks. This is Lonnie Bowers here at Guarantee RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to be previewing this 2021 Arctic Fox 27.5L model. Rear kitchen, ample counter space, electric awning, nice coach, solid steps, does have a leveling system, frameless windows, which are much nicer than your standard windows. Beautiful coach, inside and out. For a small fifth wheel, it's actually got ample amount of room both in the bedroom and the living area, as well as the kitchen. Inside this unit, folks, first thing you're going to notice when you walk in the door is going to be your recliners. They are heated and massaged if you choose to do either or both. Nice Thomas Paine collection, very comfortable, very nice looking. All hardwood inside, nice cabinetry, solid doors and drawers, and around your slide is all solid wood. Nice four-place dinette table and chairs. Does have an extension leaf, so it gives you more room and more space. Straight across from the recliners, you'll notice your entertainment center. You have an AM/FM CD player. CD player doubles as a DVD for the television. Underneath the television, to the left of the refrigerator, you're going to notice in a little cabinet there, you've got pull-out pantry with adjustable shelves. You also have a 7 cubic foot Northwood refrigerator, 2-door. Lots of counter space in the kitchen. It's a corner rear kitchen. You've got a Furrion stove and oven. The nice thing about Furrion, no more pilot lights, folks. Nice big drawers and an ample pantry to the right of the kitchen. When you walk up into the bedroom, you're going to notice to the left will be your bathroom and the hallway. You do have double entry from the bedroom as well as from the hallway. Nice thing about that is if you're sleeping and you have guests in the other, either or can use the facilities and not wake the other. Kind of nice. Nice large queen size bed. If you lift up the bed, you'll notice there's underbed storage, ample amount. You've got cabinets, basically a nightstand on either side of the bed with a drawer and a cabinet. You've got nice overhead cabinets as well on either side of the bed. Also, you'll notice in the bedroom it's a north-south bed, but you have a big slide, and the slide out has 4 large doors. One in the bathroom is your shelves for towels and such, and then 2 of them in the bedroom are for hanging items, and then another one like in the bathroom with shelves for clothes, sweaters, what have you, linens. Just a very, very nice laid out coach. Nice colors, light woods and tans. I think you'll find that being the Grande Ronde edition, Arctic Fox is a phenomenal manufacturer anyway. One of the best built out there. Built right here in Oregon, by the way. Thanks again so much for coming and joining me while we preview this product. Please ask for me if you have any other questions. You can reach me on my cell directly at area code 458-210-4130. Be happy to help and answer any questions I can. Have a great day, and thanks again for joining us.